What's up, my YouTube family? It's Dory here, and this is a no frills messy hair video. Yeah, do you have some of these left over? Well, I do. I also have these guys. They're about to get really ripe. My favorite thing about cranberries is when they pop. I love that. I love the pop. I love the pop. All right, and if you're new here, welcome and thank you for being here. My name is Dory. I've lost over 80 pounds and I've kept it off. I follow Bright Line Eating. I am all about food, fitness, and feeling wonderful. More importantly, feeling free. When I found Bright Line Eating, I stopped searching. I have an eating disorder. I'm an addict with several addictions. I have binge eating disorder. I have lots of addictions happening up in this.
Enough about that. Let's get this cranberry bake business off the ground. When working with your cranberries, here's what I do to make it fast. I soak them in hot water, and while that's happening, I mash and mix all the other ingredients. So check out the caption of this video and you'll see the ingredients and the instructions and follow it to the T. And absolutely comment below if you do have questions. Also join me on TikTok and Instagram if you like. My friends, being on Bright Line Eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. This beautiful holiday cranberry bake can be on your breakfast table this weekend. I would love it if you would subscribe, also hit the bell for notifications, and stay connected.